skin looks flawless.
Thank you.
Say goodbye to acne scars and recovery time.
We're talking 24 hours.
Coming up right now on The Doctors, where MD meets TV.
And Drew, we've got something going on special in the procedure room today.
We do. We have Dr. Tess Mauricio from San Diego. She's using a new technique of radio frequency skin rejuvenation called eMatrix. It has some special indications, unique, new products. She's going to tell us all about it.
So we talk about skin rejuvenation all the time, but how's this different?
Well, it's different in a couple ways. You're using radio frequency waves and not light energy, which has pluses, but at the same time minuses. The biggest thing with this is that it's supposed to be better for dark-skinned patients.
We're going to check in with Dr. Mauricio later on and reveal the results of her treatment. Coming up, we'll show you the results of Dr. Mauricio's new eMatrix skin resurfacing treatment on our patient, Regina. We're going to let you know if the procedure may be right for you. Earlier in the show, we saw Dr. Tess Mauricio. She was performing a brand new skin resurfacing treatment. It's called eMatrix. Now, Regina's been suffering from acne scars since her preteen years. She wanted to get clearer skin, and it's time to see the results. And I have to say, Regina, just looking at you, your skin looks flawless.
Thank you.
That's what's good.
Yes. So this is immediately after, right? So you just saw. And this is the beauty of eMatrix, and this is not laser at all. And if you remember in the beginning, I wasn't wearing any goggles, she wasn't wearing any goggles, and it's a completely different new technology that's going to revolutionize how we treat patients like Regina, who's been suffering from acne scarring.
And let's show everyone once again what Regina looked like before.
She hates this part.
Turning just like
and everyone sees those scars.
And yeah, so
now.
she has a lot of, with darker skin, you get the discoloration of the scars. She had the indented scars. And look now, this is immediately after. There's hardly any redness. And I don't know if you can focus, but you can actually see the grid-like tiny little dot patterns of eMatrix, and this is, in a few days, we'll leave her with tiny little dots that's completely coverable with makeup. So this is also the difference between eMatrix and lasers, is that, we're not talking days or even weeks or months of recovery. Right. We're talking 24 hours.
And this is big because it's offering hope to darker-skinned patients that in the past had very few, if any, options as far as skin care.
Now, we can go down deep, and we have cool graphics that actually show the difference between the traditional laser skin resurfacing versus eMatrix. And you can see up there the laser fires. The red on top of the skin is basically the trauma and the damage that's caused by the laser, and then a little bit of red goes underneath to create the new collagen production. So for someone with darker skin, that was the problem. Too much trauma to the pigmented skin, absorbing all that laser energy. This is great for patients, obviously for darker skin, non-Caucasian skin. This is my treatment of choice. And those who are scared of the pain and suffering that they have to go through with laser treatments. And so it addresses everything from acne scars, and we have great before and after photos to show as well. That shows, the discoloration, just the texture quality of the skin is improved, and this is after a series of treatments, but most patients will see improvement even after a single treatment. You can treat the wrinkles around the eyes, which is really a huge problem, wrinkles around the mouth. And then the last one that we have is obviously for acne scarring on an Asian, darker skin Asian patient, and it will really revolutionize and allow patients that we couldn't treat in the past to now, do something about their skin that they used to not be able to.
Good stuff.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Regina. Coming up, if you always wondered how to get rid of those stubborn pimples, they won't go away no matter what you try. We're going to show you a new option that just may banish those blemishes forever.